Welcome to the Paychex Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Paychex Tax Software is a comprehensive payroll and tax management tool designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It's built to simplify tax compliance, automate payroll tax calculations, and ensure that businesses stay up to date with federal, state, and local tax regulations. This makes Paychex an ideal choice for business owners looking for an all-in-one solution that can handle both payroll and taxes with ease. One of the standout features of Paychex tax software is its automated payroll tax calculations. The software automatically calculates, deducts, and withholds the right amount of federal, state, and local taxes, saving business owners and HR teams from the complexity of manual tax calculations. Additionally, Paychex handles tax filings, ensuring that both payroll and non-payroll taxes are submitted on time to the appropriate agencies, which significantly reduces the risk of late penalties. Paychex also provides year-round support for tax filings, including W-2s and 1099s. These forms are generated automatically, which can save a lot of time during tax season. Moreover, the software integrates seamlessly with the Paychex payroll service, making it easy to manage both payroll and taxes from one platform. The system also allows for the e-filing of forms, streamlining the submission process and improving overall efficiency. For businesses with multi-state operations, Paychex offers robust tax management tools to navigate varying tax rules across different jurisdictions. The software ensures accurate tax rates for each state and local tax authority, making it easier to stay compliant, no matter where your business operates. In terms of customer support, Paychex offers dedicated assistance via phone and online resources, ensuring that help is available when you need it. Overall, Paychex tax software is a powerful tool for businesses looking for a reliable, easy-to-use solution to handle their payroll and tax compliance needs. For more details, check out the links in the description below.